Hey everyone, welcome to TCB. This is part 8 of Tekla Structure Construction Point Tutorial playlist. Now the next method is project point on line. Let's click on that. Pick the first point on the line. We have the construction line already placed. So pick the point. Pick the second point on the line and pick the point to project. So right now we don't have the point which we can project on this line. Let's discard it first and place the point which we want to project. I'm randomly placing those points. Now again go to the same method and repeat the steps. Pick the point, pick the second point, pick a point to project. Right now we have the point which we want to project. So click on and you can see the point has been projected. To verify that we need to measure it. It should be 90 degree. It is 90 degree. So with this method we can project the point on the line. So that's it in this presentation. For the continuation, please check my next tutorial. Links are provided on the description. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for the listening. Have a nice day.